after.
I do, but I left it at
Unless you want mine
Walmart.
first.
Yeah, take yours. Take yours.
Hi, Joel.
It's
Do you just toot? I thought I felt you toot.
by my mom.
Ew.
Stop it. Let me see.
Who's giving her a gift?
Hi, this is Joel's
I will.
birthday. Yay.
Happy
Happy birthday.
Love you.
That can't go on Facebook. Facebook account
What
will
is
get banned.
it?
Yay! Yeah.
Walmart gift card.
It was different from what I was going to get you, but I was like, ah, Walmart's great.
You like Walmart.
Thanks, Dad.
Yay. Okay.
Okay, now you can start.
Alright. Now Brad and Donna's present goes to
Oh,
Joel.
I think I already know what this is.
Oh, you said it's from Grandpa's.
No, this is from us.
Chase, go.
That's not your present.
Here.
Hi, Chase.
No, he has to go.
Hey,
Sit.
look at me.
Chase, sit. Good
Good
boy.
boy.
Good boy.
Oh boy,
Wait
what
till you
is
see
it?
that,
What
Joel.
is it?
That's so nice.
Oh, sweet.
That's so nice.
You gotta look inside.
You gotta look inside.
Wow.
That's why I said you're not buying that. Just put yours back.
You put mine back?
Yep. And I
That's
got,
why you told me to go somewhere else?
put it back. We got you two of those. It is the exact same color that you picked out.
Hey, that's funny. Were you guys happy when you saw me pick that out?
When I looked at the number that you picked, I'm like, oh, thank God I got the right one.
Were you
That's how women's makeup goes. It's number coded or something?
Yeah, that's H18.
Oh.
I had this. I'm like, oh, I need to make this. I've been had it so long.
Okay, I can't fit this whole long video on Facebook. I gotta cut it.